So if you have ever been stranded because your ride has a dead battery, then today's video is definitely for you. We have a jump starter kit that is small and portable that will keep you boosted off for those times that you need that extra juice to start your car. Welcome back to another episode of Good Tech Cheap. My name is Brad and I'll be the host for today's episode. If you are new, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and turn that bell on if you'd like to receive notifications. In today's video, we are taking a look at the Fanttik T8 Apex Jump Starter Kit. We have all of our links located in the description if you'd like to take a closer look. Now this isn't just any booster pack. It's labeled the most Furious Jump Starter by Fanttik, so let's take a closer look. Alright, so we have the Fanttik T8 Apex. Let's get the sleeve. Oh, that feels really nice. Check out the logo. Logo is very awesome looking. The zippers got rubber grip on them. Room. Alright. So we have the T8 Apex itself right here. The power button. Jumper port. Charging ports, USB, Type-C. That's awesome. Then we have some cables, some nice netting. This is very great. Luxury booster pack case, for real. There's some USB-C cables. We have another compartment right here. Some very nice Velcro. This are your battery clamps. So you have the port right there that goes into the jumper port. We'll just go ahead and plug them up to show you. That's awesome. And we have another little box compartment here. Nothing in that box. And it's got a wall charging port with a USB-C and a normal USB port, it seems. And you have a car charging port with the same USB-C and a USB port. Then last you have your paperwork, and that is what you get inside of this awesome case. This is the T8 Apex Jump Starter by Fanttik. So after getting this jump starter out, you can just tell by the feel of this thing that it's made like a brick. The screen is very bright so you can see the battery percent and details very clearly. And that is of course always a bonus when you're doing things in the shop or anything mechanical of those sorts. The fact that this thing has USB-C is also a big bonus in my book. Not to mention it's got a smart chip that allows it to determine the type of phone or device you have and adjust to give it the correct voltages for rapidly charging. This allows you to charge a mobile device extremely fast while keeping it completely protected. I was also extremely happy to see that the 65 watt power output worked extremely well with my laptop using the USB-C to USB-C connection. This helps top off my battery while giving me an extra battery for even longer sessions where I don't have power access. Not to mention the 20,000 milliamp battery will give you plenty of charges and battery life, so no worry about it running out anytime soon. But when it does, not to worry, the included 65 watt charger will have it recharged and ready to go in no time. You surprised so far? I was too when I was reading the specs on this thing. But you're probably also thinking, wait a minute, this thing is a jump starter, correct? Yep, it sure is, but it has a lot of special features too. I guess it just might be the most furious jump starter. Well, I also tried this bad boy out with my 5.7 V8 that's been in storage, and the battery was definitely down, needing a jump. So I give this a go, and of course it started it up right away without any issues. And that smart chip we talked about earlier also works here to auto detect your car's polarity to never damage your car or shock you. It's also rated to work with engine sizes up to 8.5 liters gasoline and 6.0 liters diesel, so this thing is definitely a beast. The lighting features also helps a lot in dark situations to see under the hood, as well as cycle through settings for SOS and red blinking strobe. This is most impressive and one of the nicest jump starters that I've used in such a compact size. Plus, I absolutely love having an extra battery pack around that would charge so many of my devices. And not to mention, with enough power to start old V8 engines, what's not to love about this thing? It's also got a water resistant rating of IP65 that protects it even more in rugged situations. I say this bad boy is definitely most furious of all. Keep in mind we have all the links to this jump starter in the description if you'd like to take a closer look. I would definitely recommend it. I have been enjoying it and using it as a battery pack and charging my laptop numbers of times. It's done excellent on these occasions, as well as also a very handy tool to have around if you need to jumpstart somebody off. If you found this video helpful, then be sure to give it a like and get in the comments. Let us know what your thoughts are on the Apex T8. Lastly, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already and turn that bell on to receive notifications. That's going to be it for this episode. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.